Hello students, this is class 6 geometry exercise 14. In the last class we have done till question number 7, this is question number 8. In the adjoining figure, this is our figure. It is given that AB parallel CD, AB parallel CD. These two lines are parallel. Angle ABO equal to 50 degree. This angle ABO, this angle is given 50 degree. And angle CDO equal to 40 degree. CDO, that means this angle is given 40 degree. Find the measure of angle BOD. That means we have to find this angle BOD. That means we have to find this angle. Now to find this angle, first of all we have to do some construction. What? Through O draw EOF parallel AB. It means we have to draw this line parallel to AB and parallel to CD. Okay, we'll now draw this line. Now see, now when we draw this line parallel, now this angle will be equal to this angle. Why? Because these two are alternate angles. So angle BOF, that means this angle is equals to angle ABO. So I have written, so this angle will be equal to this angle, so this angle will be equal 50 degree. So angle BOF equal to 50 degree. Similarly, see, this angle will be equal to this angle. Why? Because these two are alternate angles. So here I have written angle DOF equal to angle CDO, that means this angle. This angle equals to this angle. So this is our 40 degree. Now we have to find this angle BOD, whole. So when you have to find whole, that means this two will be, so we have to add this two angle. So 50 degree plus 40 degree, that is equals to 90 degree. So see here, angle BOD, this angle BOD will be equals to this angle plus this angle. That means angle BOF plus angle DOF. So angle BOF plus angle DOF. So we write the value. Angle BOF value we got 50 degree and DOF value we got 40 degree. So 50 degree plus 40 degree equals to 90 degree. So our angle BOD equals to 50 plus 40, that is equals to 90 degree. So this is all about question number 8. Now this is question number 10. So in the given figure, AB parallel CD, AB parallel CD, angle ABE equal to 120 degree. This angle ABE, this angle is given 120 degree. And angle BEC equal to X degree. BEC, that means this angle is given how much? X degree. We have to find the value of X. Now here we have got 120 degree and here we have got 100 degree. And once again in this sum we will draw one construction. We will draw this line FEG parallel AB parallel CD. Now see, this angle plus this angle, we will know these two are which angle? These two are co-interior angles. So this angle plus this angle will be equal to how much? 180 degree. So I have written here, see, angle FEB, this angle plus angle ABE, this angle. When we add these two angles, this will be equal to how much? 180 degree. And reason is what? Sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. So FEB value is not given, so FEB will written as it is, and ABE value is given 120 degree, so we'll write here 120 degree. So we'll solve this one. We will get FEB equal to 60 degree. So this angle we got 60 degree. Similarly, see, come this side. This angle plus this angle will be equal to how much? 180 degree. Why? Because these two are co-interior angles. So once again we'll write the names. Angle GEC, this angle, plus angle this one DCE, this one, equals to 180 degree, and reason is sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. So similarly GEC value is not given, so we'll write as it is, and DCE, this angle value is given 100 degree, so we will write 100 degree. So we'll solve this one. We will get this angle GEC equal to how much? 80 degree. Now this we got 60 degree, this we got 80 degree, and this is our X. So we know that this is a straight line. So when we add this angle plus this angle plus this angle, this 3 will make how much? 180 degree. So this angle FEB plus angle BEC plus angle GEC equal to 180 degree. That means these three angles. Why 180 degree? Because sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degree. This is a straight line. So we'll put the value and solve, and we will get value of x equals to how much? 40 degree. So similarly I have solved the sums. Now your homework is to complete exercise 14. Thank you.